Hello guys, in this class we want to look at how to find the term or what when giving the end term. How to find the term when giving end term. How to what? To find the terms when what? Giving an end term. And another name for end term is last term. Let's listen attentively. I pray God will give you understanding and wisdom to be able to knowledge to be able to comprehend what we are going to do now. Now let's see. Let's say write down. Let's see the first question. Write down the first. Write down the first what? 4 terms. 4 terms of the following sequence. So this is the first set of questions we want to solve following. This is just in under introduction. Anyway, we have 3n minus 4. We have question A. We have B. We have un equals to what? 2 raised by n plus what? Plus n squared. We have C as what? Un equals to what? N squared plus 2. We have D equals to what? Un equals to what? Minus 1 all raised by n all over 3 raised by n. Now, these are the questions given to us. Let me add one more. Un or 2n plus n squared. Now, how do we go about this to find the first 4 terms? Now, don't forget I told you in the last class, if you check the last video, our U1 is your what? Your first term. U2 is what? The second term. U3 is what? The third term. U4 is what? The fourth term. And don't forget that during your first term, your n is equal to 1. During second term, when you are solving second term, n equals to 2. Third term, n equals to 3. Fourth term, n equals to 4. Don't forget this, very important. You should know that. Now, let's go to the first question. The first question says given the n term as what? 3n minus 4. So our U1 will now be what? 3 into bracket 1 minus 4. What do we have? What do we have it as what? 3 minus 4. Or that minus 1. To get U2, substitute n equals to 2. This one is when n equals to 1. So when n equals to 2, now we have 3. Let me take marker so that we can there. 3 into bracket what? Our n equals to 2 now, minus 4. So what do you have? We have 6 minus 4, we have what? 2. We have U3 equals to what? 3 into bracket what? 3. Let me say n equals to 3 minus 4. We want to have what? This one will give us what? 9 minus 4 is 5. So we go to the next one. When n equals to 4, don't forget the first one answer was this. Second answer 2. Third answer is what? 5. Now the fourth one is what? The last one. 3 into bracket 4 minus 4. We want to have 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus what do you call it? 4 is 8. So we have gotten our first one, which is what? Minus 1, 2, 5, 8. These are the first 4 series. So we have answered that first one. The second question says, find the what? The what? First 4 term for what? B. This is for A. So what I want to do now is that we are giving the n term as what? 2 raised by n plus what? N squared. So when n equals to 1, that is first term. when n equals to 1. So what do we have? 2 raised by 1 plus 1 squared. 2 raised by 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 squared is 3. And it's 1. Then we add it to 2. We have u2 is what? 2 raised by 2 when n equals to 2. Don't forget. So 2 plus 2 raised by 2. What do you have? This is 4. And this is 4. So I'm going to have it as 8. The next one, u3, when n equals to 3. So what do you have? 2 raised by n, where you see n put 3. 3 plus what? Then 3 square. What do you have? You are going to have 8 plus what? 9. 2 raised by 3 is 8. Plus 9 is 17. The last one, u4, is what? 2 raised by 4 when n equals to 4. Plus 4 raised by 2. 2 raised by 4 is 16. Plus 16 is what? 32. So 2 raised by 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. So our answer becomes what? 3. Our answer becomes 3, 8, what? 17, 32. This is our answer. Now the next one is what? Number C, you say what? Un is equals to n squared plus 2. So find the first 4 terms. So our u1 is equal to 1 all squared plus 2. 1 squared is what? 1 plus 2 is 3. u2 is what? 2 all squared plus 2. 2 squared is 2 and 4 plus 2 is 6. u3 is what? 3 squared plus 2. I think that will give us what? 3 squared is 9 plus 2 is 11. Then u4, I would have 4 raised by 2 plus 2. This 16 plus 2 is what? 18. So our final answer was 3, 6, 11, 18. That is first 4 term. Then we go to D, which is the second to the last term, which is what? We have what? Un equals to what? Minus 1 all raised by n over 3 raised by n. We have to be very careful here. Now, the place u1 will not be, if anywhere we see n, we put 1. So I will have 1 is by 1 over 3 is by 1. Minus 1 is by 1 is minus 1. Then 3 is what? 3 is by 1 is 3. u2 is what? Minus 1 square over what? 3 is by 2. Minus 1 square is what? Minus 1 times minus 1 divided by 9, which is what? 1 over 9. So that is 1 over 9 plus 1 over 9. We go to the third one. Third one is what? Minus 1 cube over 3 raised by 3. What do we have? Minus 1 times minus 1 times minus 1 over 27. So what do we have there? Minus and minus is plus, plus times minus is minus. The 1 times 1 times 1 is 1 over 27. Now, what do we have next? Now, the last part, I can clean this first question. The last part now was of that particular thing for that question is what? U4. U4 is equals to what? Minus 1 raised by 4 over 3 raised by 4. Minus 1 raised by 4, if press the calculator, is 1. 3 raised by 4 is 81. So the first 4 things are now 1 minus 1 over 3, comma, 1 over 9, comma, then we have what? Minus 1 over 27, comma, 1 over 81. Now, this is the answer to that question. For the last one, but not the least, for this section, we can say that is the last part for this, is what? So we should find what? 2n, un is equal to 2n plus n squared. I think that's the last one there. So what do? We look for u1 is equals to what? Let me leave this one as trial for you. Go and try this one. Look for first 4 for me. I believe you have enjoyed that video. Thank you. ensure you subscribe. Join us for the next video where we will be talking about how to find the end term from a given question. Thank you.